All developments on this one closely. Shifting our focus now. Actor Samantha Prabhu had an unpleasant experience recently when she was mobbed by fans at an event in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, highlighting growing concerns over celebrity safety. After attending a showroom inauguration, the actor faced chaos. She was being pushed as fans surrounded her car in a rush to take selfies with the actor. The incident has sparked outrage online, especially as actress Nidhi Agarwal had earlier faced a similar situation at a mall event earlier, with netizens urging organizers to act more responsibly and to ensure better security for celebrities at such events. All right, for more on this, we have PV Ramanna live with us. Thank you so much for joining us. Of course, if you could just tell us what we're seeing here, the visuals that we get here, absolutely terrifying. If you could just tell us what transpired.
Yeah, Samantha Prabhu faced very unpleasant experience yesterday when she was attending a mall opening function here in Hyderabad. Recently, we witnessed Nidhi Agarwal also faced the same kind of problem. After completion of the event, the Samantha came out and she's trying to get into her car. Suddenly, some of the fans, we can say them as a fans, whatever it is, but the people came over there and they tried to take selfies, and they tried to take selfies, and they tried to push Samantha in back. So it was very unpleasant incident was happened yesterday. Actually, yesterday it was even the organizer has to take the proper what we call, they have to take proper security measures for these kind of the festival, these kind of the incident. But these kind of things, even Nidhi Agarwal also faced the same kind of incident in the recently Lulu Mall in Hyderabad. When she was getting into her car, some people they tried to touch. In fact, netizens also netizens also experiencing their anger in the social media, and they are saying that people should have proper civic sense, and even the organizers also take the proper security measures for these kind of events. I have to say how the organizers will react and how the police will react in this kind of incident, because police has to take the proper measures for these kind of incidents or issues also, because they have to the mall of whatever the event organized in Hyderabad, they should inform the police, and police should take the proper security measures for the security measures for celebrities who is attending these kind of functions.
All right. Well, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on that. There, another very shocking incident. The visuals are on your screens right now. There are people in a rush to take selfies with the actor, completely being pushed by all those present there. Now, let's just go back to PV Ramanna for more on this. Of course, as you were mentioning, there is a need for more security measures to be put in place when such large-scale events are being organized. We've seen what happened just a few days ago with Nidhi Agarwal as well, when she was mobbed by a bunch of fans there at another event at a mall there. For more on this, we have Abha Singh with us. Thank you so much for joining me on the broadcast. Another such incident, a lot of people, netizens saying that these are predators, not fans, the way the actors here are being treated. What's your take on this?
I would blame the PR companies for this. They just send out invites and they put it on social media, and that is the result that so many people get to know and we all reach. They don't inform the police, so then there is no crowd control or mob control exercise, that there are not sufficient policemen around, and that is why this is not the first. This is the second incident which has happened where media personality has been mobbed, touched inappropriately. It is very disgusting. So I think the event management companies should be held accountable, that they will send out minimum invites, or if they are putting it on public domain, then police needs to know, and also a crowd control mechanism should be in place.
Absolutely, as you mentioned also, and this is exactly what we were reporting on, that clearly there aren't enough security measures in place to ensure that the event goes on smoothly just days after what we saw happen with Nidhi Agarwal. Also, of course, this is absolutely unacceptable. That being said, if you were to send out a message to the PR agencies, to the event organizers, really what should they be doing in this sort of a situation?
Number one, I think in these two incidents, first an FIR to be registered for a Vision Act for endangering the life of these young stars, because only then these PR companies and event organizers will become accountable. We have seen in UP also, if you remember, so many people died because there was a Baba doing some preachings and local villagers turned up and there was a stampede. So these things are happening, and just for few, money and trying to so that you are getting more people, these people have gone berserk. So I think the PR companies need to be responsible. The stars should also put their foot down that we are agreeing, but we will not. We are agreeing on one condition, that there will be not public around much, and our security has to be utmost priority. So these things should be put down even by the stars, because just to become viral, you cannot endanger your life, or even the fans. They can be crushed. If you remember in Tamil Nadu for the actor Vijay, 41 people died in a stampede. So it is both ways, for the stars and for the fans. You're risking their lives.
Right, absolutely. Though I also want to talk to you about the role of the people who are gathered here. We're seeing all this in a rush to perhaps get a selfie with the actor. The number of men who are there pushing her around, Nidhi Agarwal as well. What do you have to say about that?
It is a common man which makes these stars, and in India we have these things. We treat the Bollywood, the film stars or the cricketers like God. So this craze to have a selfie. If you see in India, the highest number of selfie deaths take place in India in the world. People on top of a cliff, near a river, try to take a selfie and they risk their lives. So here when people are ready to risk their lives, they would give anything to have a selfie with the film star. So this also needs to be checked. There should be bouncers, and they should ensure that nobody comes for a selfie. Make it a rule, no selfie. I mean, that also should be done, because a lot of stars, senior stars have expressed unhappiness because they've been mobbed, they've been inappropriately touched. So I think the selfie culture needs to be stopped.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast with your perspective on this.